So the one way that you can actually do this, if you are tracking either your mobile app or actually your website, or even how people are enrolling and joining into your memberships online, is for you to actually have Google Analytics or some other analytics tracking tools enabled on your platform. Now, what this will do for you is Google or the other platforms, they're going to track where people are coming from. So what domains are they coming from? What types of things are driving the traffic to your site? Is it Instagram? Is it LinkedIn? Is it YouTube? Is it Twitter? Those are just social platforms. What about referrals? So it's gonna really just tell you where people are coming to your site from, how much time they're spending, what are they doing, and how are they engaging with your content. And the reason why you wanna know this is because let's say you're doing all the things and you're not sure what's actually generating results, what's actually getting people to perform the specific goals that you have for your business. By tracking where people are coming from, you will then be able to see and find all of the answers to all of these questions that you have about your business, so that then you can use this information to scale. So let's jump on over to the computer. Let me show you a couple things in Google Analytics so you can actually find where to see the traffic and how you're getting them. In Google Analytics, you see here we have our menu. We're gonna go straight to acquisition. And then you can either press overview or all traffic. So in acquisition, it tells you that there are traffic coming from potentially 4 different things. You could get traffic directly to your site, from social media platforms, organic search, or referrals. So let's jump in really quick to what does those things mean? So direct traffic is anyone who has come directly to your site. You can envision this once someone actually searches for your site and they just type that right into the browser, that is someone that is coming directly to your site. You want to make sure that this number, or if this number is here, you just want to know if it's happening, because that means people are literally looking for you. Next, you have social media. Social media tells you the number of people who are coming from social platforms. Now, if you click into social media, you will then see what platforms are people actually coming from. So, for example, on here, we see people are coming from Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Next, we have organic search. Someone searched a term, it could be long tail or short tail keywords in a site like Google or Bing or Yahoo.com or something. And from that, they found your website. They clicked through and saw your website. Now, let's take note, it's organic search, which means you did not pay for this. They just found your site through SEO. And that is why this is something that you would definitely want to track, because as you are putting out new content, let's say you have a blog post, as you're putting out new content over time, that means that the more people who are finding you organically, the better. You do not have to put $1 behind this. This is people who are just naturally finding your content and they're engaging with you. They're finding you. You are popping up online. That's great. You want this. Next, we have referral. So referral is like for all of you people who have been on a podcast or something similar, and the person quoted you or the person linked to your website, right? Those little backlinks. Someone wrote a blog post, mentioned your company, or linked to your site in some sort of way. And then you have some unknown individual that came to that site, clicked on that link, and landed on your website. That is a referral. They came to you from someone else. Someone else who vouched for you, vouched for your content, vouched for something that you've done, and now you are getting traffic from that person. So everything on this tab is, you can click in to see more information basically. So if you want to click into social, like we've already done, you can see all the social platforms. If you want to click into all of the referrals, all of the people who are generating referral traffic to your site, you can click into that and you can also see more information about that. In order to use this information to really help your business and help you to make the most sense of the things that you're currently trying to do, is first to actually try to identify which traffic source is giving you good traffic, and then what are they actually doing on your site? Are they engaging in certain things on your site that you want them to? And if so, then you can use that and link that into your strategy. Ultimately, I hope that you really just enjoyed today's video, and I hope that this was very insightful, just so you can understand where your traffic is actually coming from and how you can use that information to better support your business and better support the insights and the understanding and information that you can use to build your brand. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I will be sure to follow up and give you some more information specifically to help you. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to smash that like button and be sure to subscribe for more, because we are putting out more videos coming out very, very soon on this channel, all around analytics and using that information to help you with your digital platform. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.